Alright, there's a couple of good ways to celebrate the new year, and here is one of them. It's a new Zippo with the Harley Davidson theme. Now this one comes in a semi-collectible box, and the back is labeled American flag, and it does have a semi-collectible insert, and it says Harley Davidson on it. Made in the USA, of course, in Bradford, PA. Alright, now this one comes on a high polish chrome body, and it was made in March of this year. You can see there the Zippo logo, Bradford, PA, USA. Fires up nice. Real good sound. And that is Harley Davidson motors with the eagle and the flag in its wings. Excellent Zippo. And the second best way to celebrate the new year is, of course, with more cowbell. Oh yeah. Happy New Year. Knuckle bomb.